This meditation will make your specific person make the first move and contacts you. You will become their first and only choice, and they will travel high and low to come and be near you. After listening to this, nothing will stop them from being by your side always. Listen to this 3 times for best results. Now let's begin. They reach out to me. They keep calling me. They keep texting me. They keep talking to me. They contact me. They come up to me. They send me a message. They make the first move. They show their intentions. They act in a favorable way. They come to me. They are enchanted by me. They want to get closer to me. They show me how they feel about me. They confess to me. They commit to me. They talk to me first. They give me attention. They spend time with me. They approach me. They choose me forever. They choose me now. They choose me instantly. They choose me over everyone. They choose me over everything. I am the only one they think of constantly. I am the only one they spend their time with. I am the only one they love. I am the only one they want now. They only have eyes for me now. They only want me now. They daydream about me all the time. They make scenarios about being in a relationship with me. They call my name while sleeping. They FaceTime me all the time. They are approaching me first instantly. They are addicted to me, and it's obvious. They always want to be near me. They try to see me all the time. They are obsessed with me all the time. They are in awe of my beauty. Their urge to talk to me is getting higher and higher. I am their main focus in life right now. They want me by their side forever. They love making the first move on me. They love talking to me first. They are always thinking about messaging me. They always go out of their way to see me and talk to me. Their family and friends love me and want us together. Every day we become closer and closer. It is already done. Type, I am the one they want now to affirm this meditation. And if you desire for them to come back to you faster, just like Walter and Lady T, I can help you. All you have to do is head to joybyjanell.com and you can get a proposal of marriage from your specific person, just like Tawana, or get results like any of my thousands of clients. I hope you have a day full of love and joy, and I will see you in the next meditation.